9 Natural Ways to Reduce Menopause Symptoms. Menopause officially starts when women start not to have periods for 12 months and is no longer able to get pregnant naturally. Menopause usually begins in the late 40s or early 50s for most women, and it usually lasts for a few years. During this time, most of the women experience symptoms of menopause. These symptoms include night sweats, hot flashes, mood swings, irritability, and tiredness. Moreover, menopause complications could be several diseases including osteoporosis, obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Here we will explain you 9 natural ways that help you to reduce the symptoms of menopause. 1. Eat foods rich in calcium and vitamin D. Changes in hormones during menopause can weaken bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis. It's important to diet rich in calcium and vitamin D in order to prevent the bone loss that can occur during menopause. Foods calcium-rich are including dairy products like yogurt, milk, cheese, green and leafy vegetables such as kale, collard greens, and spinach. Also, calcium-fortified foods are also good sources, including certain cereals and fruit juice. 2. Achieve and maintain a healthy weight. To gain weight during menopause is normal. It could be due to the hormones changes, age increasing, lifestyle, and genetics. Therefore, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight may help to the reduction of menopausal symptoms and prevention of disease. 3. Eat fruit and vegetables. A diet rich in fruit and vegetables is useful to prevent menopause symptoms. It helps to keep bones healthy and helps to prevent weight gain and certain diseases. 4. Avoid eating stimulant foods. Some foods and drinks can increase menopause symptoms including hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. These foods and drinks are including caffeine, alcohol, and sugary or spicy foods. 5. Do exercise regularly. Doing exercise regularly can help to reduce menopause symptoms. It can also protect against weight gain and variant diseases and conditions. 6. Drink enough water. During menopause, women usually experience dryness. This could be due to the decrease in estrogen levels. Drinking water might help you to prevent weight gain and reduce symptoms of dryness. 7. Reduce refined carbs and processed foods. A diet high in processed foods and refined carbs increases the risk of depression and blood pressure and bone health in postmenopausal women. 8. Maintain your regular meals. Irregular eating meals might increase symptoms of menopause and even hinder weight loss efforts. 9. Eat foods rich in protein. Eating protein regularly throughout the day can prevent the loss of lean muscle mass that happens with age. Have you ever experienced the symptoms of menopause? Please share your experience in the comment. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want to know more about natural treatments, subscribe to the channel.